John again. I'm back with the Unity 2D gaming tutorial. Here I am in my player controller script. I'm just going to give you a general overview of the code first. So we have some game objects in here referencing in our demo scene. So I got way down here in my canvas, I have a game over object and a button restart. And these are just referencing those two. And then I have some other variables like this raycast hit 2D, um, and some animators and just some different stuff. I have a lot of extra variables that weren't there before. Some of these I'm pretty sure are not being used, which is where my code got really messy. Um, Trying to figure this out today. I'm going to be going through and just checking over what's doing what. And so, but in my start method, my game over text, it's set active is set to false, and same with the restart button. So these will not appear when you start the game. Um, let's see, and then here's my wall jump, and then it has me adding force to my x vector and my y vector, and so this isn't working. This one right here isn't working. I think it's because it doesn't really have an exact direction on which way the force should be implemented. I'm really not sure. I think this was just a different way I was trying to. Yeah, this was just a different way I was trying to get the X force going. Uh, let's see what else. This is something I didn't finish. I should probably comment this out. There's a lot of stuff in here that I need to probably comment out and do some reworking. There's some code in here for double jumping it's currently not working. Trying to see if you're not double jumping and if you're not grounded, then you can set double jump to true. So that way you could double jump, but that's not working right now. And then this will allow you to wall jump if you're touching a wall. And if you press the space key, which is the jump button, it'll allow you to jump off the wall. And then if is dead is true, it will return all this code. This should actually be at the top too. So doing some reworkings while I show you the code. But yeah, and I think that's so on my collisions, um, I check to see if if there's a tag that equals enemy, and then it'll set the game over text to true and the restart button to true, and it'll play the dies animation, and then I'll add a little force to like make the character jump because it looks like, I don't know, you'll just have to see it. So I have a little force that makes the character jump up a little bit, and then I disabled my box collider for my player. And so when we go into the engine, so I showed you my game over and restart button, and they're showed right here. Let's see if there's anything else I need to show you in here. I have some wall check and some ground checks. Stuff that's not currently, I don't think it's working right now. But when we hit play, so first thing you'll notice, first thing you'll notice is the first jump is way too high. I don't know why it's doing that, but the second jump is fine. And as you can see, the wall jump is working. It's just not clean like I'd want it to. You got to change the which way you're facing to get the X force. And then I have my frog over here, and if you run into him, you die and you fall off the map. You can't move. But if you hit try again, it'll restart the game. Also, if you didn't notice, I have the music disabled just for the purpose of so you can hear what I'm talking about, because I remember in my last video it kind of cut my audio, my microphone audio off quite a bit. So that's what I have to date. Thank you for your time.